Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay August 30, 2023 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong August 30, 2023 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong Wednesday, August 30, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 30, 2023, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 95 million pesos for Wednesday, August 30, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of August 30, 2023, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.